we're going to explain the user-defined type not defined error in VBA. This frustrating error pops up when your VBA code tries to use a user-defined type, UDT, that VBA doesn't recognize. Let's break down the common causes. 1. Missing or incorrect type declaration. This is the most frequent culprit. You might have declared a UDT in one module, but are trying to use it in another without proper referencing. VBA needs to know exactly what this custom data structure looks like before it can work with it. Make sure the type statement defining your UDT is present and correctly spelled in a module accessible to the code using it. Double-check for typos in the UDT's name throughout your code. 2. Incorrect module references. VBA projects can have multiple modules. If your UDT is defined in one module, and your code using the UDT resides in another, you might need to explicitly add a reference to the module containing the UDT definition. Sometimes, you might accidentally rename or delete the module containing the UDT. 3. Module loading issues. Sometimes, a module might not load properly, leading to VBA not recognizing the UDT it contains. This can happen due to errors in the module itself or conflicts with other parts of the project. Check for any syntax errors or circular references in the module where your UDT is defined. Restarting your VBA editor can sometimes resolve this. 4. Name conflicts. Another possibility is a naming conflict. You might have accidentally used the same name for your UDT as something else in your project, or even a built-in VBA type. Choose unique, descriptive names for your UDTs. 5. Late binding issues. If you're using late binding, where you don't declare the variable type explicitly, VBA won't know the UDT at compile time. Declare your variables explicitly using the dim statement and specify the UDT name. For example, dim my data as my UDT. This helps catch type-related errors during compilation rather than at runtime. 6. Circular references. A subtle problem can arise from circular references between modules. If Module A uses a UDT defined in Module B, and Module B uses something from Module A which relies on that UDT, this can create a situation where neither module loads, completely causing the error. 7. Corrupted VBA project. In rare cases, the VBA project itself might be corrupted. Try creating a new VBA project and importing your code into it. This can help weed out any underlying file corruption issues. Remember to thoroughly check for spelling mistakes and ensure that all your modules are properly referenced and free from errors. Carefully reviewing your type declarations and variable declarations is often the key to resolving this common VBA issue.